Hello, at this lecture I would like to show you how to create bitmaps easy and efficiently. Have you ever heard about the bitmaps? What is it and how to use it? No? Or maybe yes? Let's look. What is a bitmap? Bitmap is a kind of a data management graph. You should put the keyword in the middle and around them you put all subtopics and subtopics. It's really interesting idea if you have a lot of data which you can connect in multiple groups. In that way, you can see the yellow branch is different than the red one, and all branches are visible, and when you look on the whole picture, you can see all connections and all information about the groups in one moment. And how to create bitmap easy, because you can make it by drawing on the paper. It's also possible, but if you are not drawer, you can use the software. I would like to show you the bitmap too. It's really easy way to create the very nice and efficient bitmap. How to create a bitmap efficient and effortless. For example, you can use tool bitmap2. It's a free online mind map generator. It's very interesting and free software that you allow to create nice looking bitmaps, and how to use it and start creating your new bitmap. The first, when you go to this website, I attached the link in my slides. You have to click get started or just scroll down, and you have two options. The first, you can sign into this website and connect your account to the Google Drive, or just create the new map without any registration, and we'll use this way. And when you click there, you have the framework of this bitmap, and I would like to show you how to create the bitmap, and in the same time I will describe the tools available in this framework. At the first, you have to press space or double click to edit. We'll create the bitmap, the science bitmap. Science, and we can just divide for multiple options, for example chemistry, biology, physics, and mathematics. Okay, we have the simple bitmap. Of course, we'll extend it a little more. As you can see here, you have the keyword as a science, and around them you have some nodes, some subgroups, and you can easily just change their places, for example, whatever you want, or just change one physics there. Okay, and let's just extend this bitmap a little. For example, chemistry can be divided to organic chemistry, quantum chemistry, biochemistry, and physical chemistry. Okay, physics can divide for cosmology and optics. Okay, biology can divide to systematics and cell biology. And mathematics can be divided, for example, to geometry and, for example, probability theory. Okay, and as you can see, our bitmap is extended. We have more options over there, and if you can see, still we can choose the places of all sites, and this application just generate nice looking bitmap in our case. And let's go deeper. For example, organic chemistry can be divided, for example, for hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Physical chemistry can divide to electrochemistry. Chemistry. Quantum chemistry can be divided to Schrödinger equation. and biochemistry for biocatalysis. Okay, what else? For example, systematics can be divided to ichthyology. You probably don't know what is it. It's about fishing. It's about the fishes. I like fishing, that I just put this ichthyology here. And let's think just a little about this graph. For example, as you can see, biochemistry and biocatalysis are also connected with biology. And how to create this correlation? We can just put, for example, biology here and use this connect to another node. Just click over there and you can see if you click to biology and to the biochemistry, the arrow is in that side. If you put the biochemistry to the biology, the arrow is over there. And you can just add multiple situations and multiple options. And for example, oh, maybe it's not a good idea. We can put over there, and let's put somewhere chemistry there. Okay, because we have the binded. Oh, maybe like this. And we can just make this correlation. Okay, and what's happened if, for example, you see, oh, our chemistry is extending and we should put another keyword that will be a chemistry, not science. Let's just delete this line. If you click on this line, you can just change, for example, thicker or thinner, dashed, and you can add the label, for example, correlation. Okay, and you see there is a correlation, but we'll delete this line because that will be easier to show the next feature. Or you can press, Control Z. Okay, and we see, oh, biochemistry can be another topic, that we can just remove this line and we have the chemistry over there. The physics, remove line, we can put over there. For example, biology, we can put over there. And mathematics, we can put over there. Okay, and we can just make some nice looking graphs. Okay, the next feature, you can add some images over there. If you click there, you can add images, delete some connections, change the colors or the graphics. And what is interesting, if you don't like this style, because sometimes you see, oh, it's not good for me, here you have the option to change the style. For example, this is the standard. Oh, this is the standard. The next, you see, for example, here you have another option. It's quite similar. And what is interesting, I very like this style, and you can make, for example, some graphs. In biology, the systematic graphs or just family trees. It's very interesting. If you can add, for example, 1, 2, 3. For example, here 4. Okay. And as you can see, you can add as many you want. And what is different between these buttons? Because here, when you press the sibling node, you can just create another sibling, as in family. But if you create the child node, for example, 5, 6, 7, you can just make multiple lines. Of course, you can just extend this here. Okay, change the places. If I like the physical chemistry, I can also just drag each name and I can create new node. And as you can see, it's very interesting and nice looking main map. Also, you have option to publish, save this graph and use for your purposes. And there is your trivia. Human beer control pills work on gorillas. And thank you for watching.